Hi students, now we are going to see the example 1.3. Find the inverse of the matrix. They have given 3 by 3 matrix to us. We have to find the inverse of the given matrix. We know that A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into Hg. So first we have to find the value of determinant of A and Hg. Then we have to apply these two finding values in the given formula. Okay. So first I am going to find the determinant of A. Already you know very well to how to find the determinant of A. 2 into 3 9 minus 2 plus 1 into minus 15 plus 3 plus 3 into minus 10 plus 9. 2 into 7 minus 12 plus 3 into minus 1. 14 minus 12 minus 3. 14 minus 15 not equal to 1, not equal to 0. The determinant of A is not equal to 0, A inverse exists. So we can find the value of A inverse. Next we have to find the adjoint A. Adjoint A means, we know the formula for this also. We have to find the minor of the matrix of the entries. Plus M31 minus M32 plus M33. First we find the minor of matrix of each and every element to the given matrix. How to find the minor of matrix? 2, minus 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, 3. If we want to find the minor of the matrix for this 2, we have to delete this row and this column. That time we get n minus 1 order of submatrix. So we have to write here 3, 1, 2, 3. Like we have to find the minor of matrix for all entries of the given matrix. Here plus, here minus. Next, for this minus 1 means we have to delete this row and this column. So we get the submatrix minus 5, 1, minus 3, 3. Minus 5, 1, minus 3, 3. Plus, for this entry we have to delete this row and this column. We get minus 5, 3, minus 3, 2. This is the submatrix of this entry. Next, second row. 2, minus 1, 3, minus 5, 3, 1, minus 3, 2, 3. For the second row, we have to find the submatrix of minus 5 means we have to delete this row and this column. We get this submatrix minus 1, 3, 2, 3. Plus, for this 3 means this row and this column, we get the submatrix 2, 3, minus 3, 3. For this one, we have to delete this column and this row, minus 5, 3. Minus 1, 3, minus 5, 3, 1, minus 3, 2, 3. We are going to find the submatrix of the last row of first element, minus 3, minus 1, 3, 3, 1. This is the submatrix of first entry. Now we are going to find the submatrix of second entry of the last row. We have to delete this row and this column. 2, 3, minus 5, 1. Then last entry of this given matrix, 2, minus 1, minus 5, 3. If you are finding the submatrix means that time we have to give more concentration on that. Suppose if you are changing the symbols or entries, the answer it will come wrong. So we have to give some more importance to that. Now we are going to find the value of this submatrix 9 minus 2 minus 15 minus 3 into 1 plus 3 plus minus 10 plus 9. Second row minus 3 minus 6 plus 2 into 3 6 plus 9 2 into 3 6 minus and minus plus 9 minus 10 plus 9. See, wrongly I have written this. 3 means this submatrix. For 1, we want to delete this row and this column. 2, minus 1, minus 3, 2. So, suppose if you are not giving more concentration on this means easily we can do the mistake. Minus 4 minus 3. Then third row minus 1 minus 9 minus 2 minus 15 plus 6 minus 5. For this entry 2, 3, minus 5, 1. So I am sorry, I missed here one minus. So please 7 minus 12 into minus plus minus 1 minus 9 into minus plus 9 15 1 minus 1 minus 10 minus 17 1. We have to write transpose. Transpose means we have to interchange the row into column and the column into row. Now I am going to do that. 7, 12 minus 1, 9, 15 minus 1, minus 10, minus 17, 1. So we found the determinant of A and G. Now we are going to apply these two finding values in the inverse of A. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into HA. We found the determinant of A is minus 1 into HA, 7, 9, minus 10, 12, 15, minus 17, minus 1, 1. Now we can multiply this minus inside the matrix. So minus 7, minus 9, 10, minus 12, minus 15, 17, 1, 1, minus 1. This is the inverse of the matrix of A. Let us see the next topic in next video.